Hey everyone, and welcome. We are here today at Disney's Animal Kingdom Park. I haven't been to Animal Kingdom probably since my second video that I've ever made, so I wanted to come back today and do a quick challenge. It is 5 o'clock right now. The challenge is, how many rides can we do in 2 hours, and can we do all the rides? This park do close at 7 o'clock, so I came last minute to see how much we can possibly get done here. So enough talking, let's go ahead and dive in. So before we get on any rides, it's hot, so we're gonna get this Macau specialty beverage. I have never seen that on this menu. It looks really good. So we're gonna go ahead and get that. It is $5.49. They do have this tiger tail chocolate twist. That looks really good, but we're not getting that right now. We're just gonna get the drink for now. But that looks good. So, how was it, babe?
Refreshing on a hot day.
So, my plan, if you guys wanna follow, is to work through Dino Land first, because usually those attractions are never really a wait time actually. And then we're gonna go around to Mount Everest, hit that next. Maybe I'll do the water ride. We will see. Kali River Rapids, we will see. And then we'll hit Kilimanjaro Safari ride. And then we'll save Pandora for last, just because usually towards the end of the night, Pandora does calm down and the wait times does get low, because the Avatar ride, Flight of Passenger, is 85 minutes right now. So we're gonna wait on that. So that's my strategy. If you guys wanna follow, you're more than welcome. All right, it is 5:01, so let's hit the first ride. First stop, Triceraptop spin. It's only a 5-minute wait, so let's knock that out real quick. They got my man Donald over here. He's probably my favorite Disney character. He is funny as ever. You ready, Ray Ray? You ready, Ray Ray?
Ray is ready.
Woo! Come on, get me right. Let's go, Skylar. Woo!
You're smart.
Ride number 2. We are in Dinosaur. Let's get to it. We are here.
Flight controller and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. But let's not talk about me. Let's talk about you. If I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you. And not just any dinosaur. Take a look at this guy. He's an iguanodon, and I'm certain that he is the key to understanding these magnificent creatures.
Not at all.
Let's go. You ready, Sky?
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll. Okay, now let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Oleoramus. Hadrosaur.
Time to get serious. Locking autopilot on homing signal now. Identify.
Carnotaurus.
That's it.
Iguanodon.
Forget it. Get them out now.
Impact.
Brace yourself. This is it.
All right. Quick tip for y'all. If you sit in the back of the car, prepare for a very rough ride. I did not realize the difference, but if you're in the front, it's so much more smoother. So if you're looking for a more rocky experience on that ride, sit in the back seat, be my guest. I know you guys remember the short guy in the back right here.
Don't
That's his beautiful lady. We have made really good time. It is 5:18 and we already done Triceratops spin and the dinosaur ride. Let's go. So, huge news also on Dinoland. They are turning this into a Encanto and Indiana Jones themed land, supposedly. They already have the permits. Food Blog just posted that probably about 5 hours ago. So, that'll be interesting. All right, next ride on the list, Expedition Everest. I can't wait. I haven't rode this in so long. I don't know if any of you guys ever seen this before, but this is actually pretty cool. It is 15 minutes right now, so it's not too bad. Let's hit it. That was a walk-on. We are already here. Literally took us like 3-5 minutes. Yeah! Wait, what? Oh, no way. There's no way I'm stuck right now.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated. Your train has made an unscheduled stop.
Wow.
Thank you.
We are stuck going up. That is crazy. Oh, never mind. We back moving. Oh my God, here we go. Oh no, don't break it. That's all she wrote. So we just got off Mount Expedition Everest. I don't know if I am just old as hell or that ride is a little more bumpier than I thought it was. All right, so it is 5:49. So we have an hour and 11 minutes left and we're on to our fourth ride. So let's get to it. We're heading to Kilimanjaros Safari ride. No birds out here. Where'd they go? They done took them. My bad. They're over there. I did not catch it, unfortunately, but the wait time on it was 10 minutes. So we're making good time. Hopefully we can get off this ride probably about 6:15, I'm assuming. So if we can, and Avatar Flight of Passengers not that bad, we might be able to hit every ride in 2 hours. I swear they do not have majority of these animals anymore.
Thank you for now here. They would like to say
Let me know if I'm wrong.
Means it's actually closely related to the giraffe piece of its skull-like structure and prehensile tongue. She's other tongue.
I know.
Also the tallest type of forest animal.
real close.
Swim, but they just find it easier to walk and run on the real floors.
That is a big boy. Jeez.
The amount of dust
Look at
that's
the
during that
horns
migration,
on
you can
that.
see it all the way from outer space.
They're in the water.
It is so rare to see these.
Guys, are you see them?
That is a wow. I never get to see these. That is crazy.
So a pack of African painted dogs is called a
Oh, don't run away now just because I showed up.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh my God, them things are close.
It's a height of 18 to 20 feet when they're
Those are beautiful.
They also only sleep for 30 minutes out of the day and stay awake for the rest of the day.
Oh yeah, that's a good view.
You're gonna get scared.
They are not eating enough shrimp.
Also, large flamingos is known as a flamboyant.
What a view. Where's the rest of the goats?
The one outpost is going to be that beehive. That beehive is used by a warren to keep elephants away from his crops. Elephants like the sound of bees. They tend to stay.
Ah, man, I don't know if we're gonna make it. It is 6:25 right now, and we have done 5 rides. We have time for probably one more. We'll see. Hopefully, one of the Avatar rides just go down to about 10 minutes, which I highly doubt. But if it does, we'll be able to hit every single ride in 2 hours. Let's go. Also, fun fact, I did not know the rocks on the safari ride where the lions are at, there's AC vents in some of those rocks. That's why they sit there sometimes. Did not know that until one of the cast members just told me. So, pretty cool. This is dead. I love coming here towards the end of the time the park's about to close to see stuff like this. Now, before we get on one of the Avatar rides, about to get my Night Blossom frozen beverage. Do recommend getting this when you guys come here. It is the best frozen beverage at Disney, period. Hands down. It's delicious. So we have ride number 5, the Navi River Journey. Probably our last ride of the day, but 5 rides in 2 hours, can't beat that. I love coming to Animal Kingdom when they're about to close. I really do love the details of this queue. It is so nice. Last stop of the day. It's cold in here. That's kind of creepy, I'm not gonna lie. Hey. Hey, wow. This stuff is so nice though. They did a great job with the decorations on this ride. Definitely recommend it. I have to talk through it because I do not want to get copyrighted. So, I have to hear my voice for a little bit. But look at the details. It is crazy how good the details are on this. And then you have the $23 million animatronic. That is wild and absurd. Beautiful though. Very beautiful. Looks very real. I love it. Look at this. This is honestly probably the best decorated ride at Disney World, hands down. So it is 7:03, and that was the 5th and final ride, unfortunately. We had one more to go, but it was just too long. I did not hit the water ride, but it was only like 5 minutes. I was not getting on the water ride today, so sorry guys, but I could have done it if I really wanted to. It was a great day though. All in all, we got 5 rides done in 2 hours. Can't beat that. All right, guys, that was such a fun time. We got so much done in 2 hours. It was a blast. We got to do 5 out of the 7 rides they have here in literally 2 hours. So Animal Kingdom honestly is a good part to end at if it's ending at 6 or 7 o'clock, because most people are leaving. You could still do that and then hop over to Magic Kingdom, which will probably end around 11 when it's summer for you guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video and want me to do more of these challenges, comment below, give me a challenge. It was fun. But if you did enjoy this, like, share, and subscribe, and you guys have a blessed evening. Peace.